Paying with Venmo in business is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. If the customer is paying you via the Venmo app, they will select your business. Input the transaction amount and tap on Send. If necessary, they can use Venmo's search function to find your business. Then tapping the business category as opposed to people to make sure they're searching businesses. By following these steps, the customer will be able to pay you using Venmo for your business. It's a convenient and popular payment method that many people use. When customers make a purchase and choose to pay with Venmo, they will be redirected to the Venmo app or website for payment processing. The transaction will then be completed, and the funds will be transferred to your business account. Be prepared to handle refunds and customer service inquiries related to Venmo payments. Make sure you have a clear refund policy in place. Maintain accurate records of Venmo transactions for your business accounting and reporting. Be aware of Venmo's policy and terms of service, and ensure that your business activities on the platform comply with these policies.